Spider-Man hasn't felt this fresh in a long time, and this is exactly why Ultimate Spider-Man 2024 exploded the way it did. Because this comic finally asks a question Marvel almost never lets Peter Parker answer. What happens if Peter actually grows up? Now the setup for this universe is wild, is completely insane. This takes place in Marvel's new Ultimate Universe, where the Maker, the evil version of Reed Richards, basically reshapes reality to stop heroes from rising the way they were supposed to be. Meaning Peter Parker was never bitten by the spider as a teenager. No classic origin, no high school Spider-Man, no young awkward hero trying to balance homework and crime fighting. Instead, when we meet Peter here, he's already an adult. He's married with MJ, he has kids, and has a normal life. And to be honest, that already makes this comic feel different from almost every modern Spider-Man story. Because Peter actually seems happy, at least on the surface that is. But underneath all of that, there's this feeling that something is missing from his life, like destiny passed him by. And once Peter finally becomes Spider-Man later in life, the emotional weight hits way harder than people actually expect. Because now he's not only risking himself, but he's also risking his family, and that actually changes a lot. Every fight feels more dangerous, every decision feels heavier, and Peter himself feels more mature and grounded compared to the classic younger version that we're usually seeing. One of the biggest reasons fans connect with this comic so quickly is because of how human it actually feels. Peter and MJ actually communicate like real adults. The relationship feels believable, which honestly feels refreshing after years of Spider-Man comics consistently throwing misery at Peter Parker. And the art by Marco Cheto, let's call him Cheeto. Right. Marco Cheeto. And honestly, yeah, the art is absolutely incredible. I am bewildered at the art style. I'm baffled and distraught. No, wait, that distraught is that's a negative feeling, never mind. Hey, look at me use college level words, huh? The action feels cinematic, the city feels alive, and Spider-Man moves with this fluid realism that makes every swing feel important. Even the suit design perfectly balances the classic Spider-Man with a modern look. But the real reason why this comic book works so well is because it understands the core of Spider-Man. Peter Parker isn't supposed to just endlessly suffer. He's really supposed to preserve. And in the comic book, Ultimate Spider-Man finally remembers that. It gives readers a version of Peter Parker who's older, wiser, more mature, and still trying to become the best version of himself. Not just as Spider-Man, not the mask, but as a husband, a father, and a man searching for purpose. And honestly, that makes Ultimate Spider-Man 2024 till current, day feel so special.